Hello traders and welcome to another video review of the Ether to the Bitcoin at Zondacrypto. Today is Thursday, last day of the August 2023. Let's take a look at the daily time frame chart to see what is going on this market. So what do we have here is the daily time frame chart. I got the 100 and 200 moving average, and you can see that this is the recent year, or even the current year, from that high which were made at the beginning of this year, roughly around the level of 0.77. We are just keep going lower. So basically, if we take some kind of a line here or ray, and we manage to connect the top, as you can see, there was some sort of the false breakout to the upside, but then eventually new low was made. So it's not that obvious that the bulls were in charge of the market. Okay, so some traders might get fooled by this movement here. Nevertheless, new low was made somewhere towards the 0.054, so pretty decent movement to the downside was made. Now, what do we want to do is to mark our levels, which is of course the level of the low, and the low is here. This year's low so far, 0.5454. So that's the technical support swing low and the technical support together. Since there, as you can see, we got of course very big pin bar here, very big pin bar here, and very big pin bar here. So all of those levels might be of course might be considered as a technical support. The next one is 0.058, and the last one is of course 0.060. So those are the technical supports, but there is a clear problem for bulls with the resistance. Take a look at this, roughly around 0.064. That's the resistance towards 0.0. Let's say, let me just grab the correct line. 0.06445. There is a problem with the resistance. So somewhere around here, the problem is really let's say serious, right? So if I move this line here, okay, let me delete this one, and let me delete this one, and this one, and this one, and that one. So the point is that if we move a little bit to the upside, and there is a very thin technical resistance level here, even if we add one more here, of course, it's pretty decent, thick but decent technical resistance zone, or as we can call it, supply zone. And the bulls have a problem with breaking above this level, 0.06448, 0.06407. So it's not that wide, but it is just below the 100 periods moving average as well. And now the current outlook looks like this. The market spikes to the downside, recovers, spikes to the downside, recovers. Now it's even shallower than ever because of this technical resistance or supply zone, and now it's supposed to spike lower. So the outlook for the Ethereum to the Bitcoin is getting even more bearish, especially after clear rejection at the beginning of the well, in the middle, somewhere in the middle of the August, for the fourth time this zone, right? So the bears were rejected, and then you go first spike to the downside, second spike to the downside. Now we are kind of testing this short-term support, roughly around 0.6210. And if this support is violated, then this one will be tested. So I mean this one, and then of course the other one would be this one, because the swing low is obvious to spot, right? So please pay attention to the current development on the euro, sorry, on the Ether to the Bitcoin, because it looks like this market is still under the bearish pressure. The downtrend didn't actually change. This market is still doing this downtrend, so it's obvious that we will not get rid of this downtrend very, very soon. There are some, let's say, attempts to bounce and reverse the trend, but they failed 4 times already. So there might be another spike coming your way on the Ether to the Bitcoin, quite soon, basically, right? I don't know the exact date. I don't know the exact moment when it happens, but judging by the pressure that the bears are making on the market, it might be done even during the next month. So stay tuned, stay focused, and try to be in line with the market behavior on the Ether to the Bitcoin, which is clearly bearish, and there is no indication of any sort of the downtrend reversal or termination just yet. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.